Okay, good morning children. I am your teacher today, Miss Andrea Rain Abalia. So, good morning everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, before we start, who wants to lead our play?
Teacher.
Okay, Heart, you may lead our prayer.
Let's bow our heads and pray.
Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom the love who meets me here. Ever this day be at my side, to guide and guide, to rule and guide. Amen.
Okay, thank you children. You may now sit down. So, for our attendance, please raise your hand if you are here. So, Artalas Lenor?
Present.
Okay, very good. Cruz Helioni?
Present.
Okay, very good. Mendoza Eunice?
Present.
Okay, very good. Tipay Krishna?
Present.
Very good. Villa Gabriel?
Present.
Okay, very good. So, before we start our lesson, do you remember what our lesson yesterday? Who wants to answer? What's our lesson yesterday? Okay, let's hear it for Delnor.
Our lesson yesterday is all about proper hygiene. We must wash our hands before we eat.
Okay, very good. Let's give a clap for Delnor. Very good. So our topic yesterday is all about proper hygiene. Okay, very good. So now we have a song here that we prepared for our motivational activity. So who knows the song Watermelon Song? Okay, very good. Okay, now let's all stand up for our energizers. Yay! You know the song, everyone? Yes. Okay, very good. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya. Mix them all together, mix them all together. Fruit salad, fruit salad. Apple, mango, banana, banana. Mix them all together, mix them all together. Fruit salad, fruit salad. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya. Mix them all together, mix them all together. Fruit salad, fruit salad. Okay, very good everyone. Okay, sit down na po. So, today our topic lesson is all about healthy and unhealthy foods. For your answer everyone and for your participation. So, today we will tackle about the healthy foods. Okay? Stand by please. Okay. Can anyone read this? Okay, Gab, please read what healthy food is. Healthy food is good for your body. It gives you vitamins and nutrients. It also boosts your energy and prevents it. Okay, very good. Let's go for that. Okay, children. Healthy food base here, it says that it is good for your body. Okay, because it gives you vitamins and nutrients. So, does any one of you know what can we get from orange? What vitamins can we get from orange? Yes, Heart.
Vitamin C.
Okay, very good. Vitamin C. And it also boosts your energy and prevents sickness. So, where are we going to use our energy? In what way can we use our energy?
When we're dancing.
Dancing, very good. What else?
We're going to school.
Going to school, very good. So it also, we need
When
what?
we're playing.
Very good. When we are playing, so we need energy when we are playing. So we need a lot of healthy foods to get energy and we can play outside. So later we have an activity, okay? So now I have here more example of healthy foods. So what is this? Milk. Very good. Who among you here drinks milk? Me. okay? This is meat, okay? Meat is also a healthy food. So this one, what is this? Fish. Very good. Mama, you here eat fish. 3 only? What about the others? Why? Why you don't want fish? Oh, it smells bad. But no, this is healthy, okay? Please, children, eat a lot of fish, okay? So now we are done for the healthy foods. And we will call Teacher Eunice to tell you about what unhealthy food is. So listen carefully, because we have an activity later, okay? Thank you, children. Thank you, teachers. My name is Teacher Eunice, and now we're gonna talk about unhealthy foods. Okay, teacher. Who among you eating healthy foods, unhealthy foods? What are those unhealthy foods? Okay. Can you give us example of unhealthy food? Who loves chocolate? Me, teacher. Can you give us chocolate? No, because chocolate is not healthy. Why, teacher? So, but now, let's read first the unhealthy foods. Unhealthy food is bad for your body. These are food that lack of vitamins and nutrients. It will make you sick and gain bad fats. So did you know that if you eat unhealthy foods, it will give you lack of vitamins and nutrients, and it can make you sick and gain bad fats. So don't eat chocolates. Too much chocolate is not good for our body. So these are the examples of unhealthy foods. This one, what's this?
Cheese!
Who loves eating cheese?
Me!
It's bad for our body. How about this one? What's
Pizza!
Pizza. Who loves eating pizza?
Me, cheese pizza.
Pepperoni
Pepperoni
bad
pizza.
for our body. Don't eat too much pizza, okay? How about this one?
Coffee.
Who drinks coffee? No, don't drink coffee because you're too young for that. How about this one?
Donuts.
Donut. Who loves eating donuts?
Me.
Okay, how about this one?
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
A jolly hot
Who loves eating hot dogs?
Me, I love hot dogs.
So this one is the example of unhealthy foods. Don't eat too much. Don't eat too much unhealthy foods. Okay.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, what is a bad fat?
So bad fats it comes from the unhealthy foods. If you eat unhealthy foods, you will have a bad fats. Okay. So don't eat unhealthy foods.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, teacher. I am Teacher Gab, and today we will now proceed to our activity. Who wants to play? Me! Okay, let's play a game, okay? What can you say about this picture or about this boy?
He looks happy.
He looks happy because he is a healthy guy. How about this one? Yes, Eunice?
He looks so sad.
He looks so sad and tired, right? And he is kind of fat because he eats a lot of unhealthy food. I have here foods that you're going to put in their mouth. You're going to identify if the food that you're going to pick is if it is unhealthy or a healthy food. Then you're going to put inside their mouth. Okay, let's play. Who among you wants to try first? Me, teacher. Okay, Andrea, come in front. Give me it. I am gonna pick this one. What do you think about that?
Is it rice?
Yes, that's right. Very good. Is it a healthy food or unhealthy food?
Healthy food.
Okay, very good. I'll give you 3 happy stars. Where do you want me to put this? This here? Okay. 1. Where?
This one.
Here. Okay. And last, we're going to put it here. Wow. Let's give Andrea a Mommy Julie applause.
a watermelon. And where does this belong? A healthy food or unhealthy food?
It's healthy.
Wow, okay, very good, Eunice. I'll give you three smiles again. Where do you want me to put this?
Here.
Here,
Here.
and the last one,
Here.
there.
Okay.
Let's give Eunice a fireworks clap. Do you know what is a fireworks clap?
No.
Okay, this is how fireworks clap is. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Shh, shh, shh.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Shh, shh, shh. Okay. Okay, next. Who do wants to try? Okay, Heart, come in front. Okay, pink. What is that?
Sausage.
Where does it belong? Is it this guy or this guy? Here. Why?
It's unhealthy.
Very good. I'll give you a 3-star, a 3 smiley face again. Where do you want me to put this?
Here.
Here, you're very good. The other two? Here. The other one, the last one here. Where? Here. Okay, let's give Heart a mommy tradition clap again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Next. We still have a lot here. Okay, Krishna, come in front. Okay, wait. What is that?
Donuts.
Do you like donuts?
No.
No. Where do you want? Where is donut belong?
Unhealthy food.
Very good. I'll give you 3 stars. Where do you want to put it? There? Okay, I'll put it there. Okay. And the last one. Okay. Let's give Krishna mommy tradition clap. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, we still have a lot here. Who wants to try again? Okay, Delmore, come in front. What is that?
French fries.
Do you like French fries? Okay. Where does it belong?
Here. Unhealthy.
Unhealthy food, okay. I'll give you 3 star. And then 3 smile, please. Where do you want me to put this? There. And the other 2. And the last one. Let's give the Nor a fireworks clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now I will show the pictures and you're going to say if it is belong to unhealthy food or a healthy food, okay?
Okay, teacher.
What is this?
Chocolate.
Who loves chocolate?
Me.
Teacher loves chocolate too, but too much sugar isn't good for our body. Where does it belong?
Unhealthy food.
Healthy food. How about this one?
Apple.
Who loves apple?
Me.
You like apple? Where does it belong?
Healthy.
Healthy. Okay, and the last item, we still have 3. What is this?
Soda.
A soda or a Coca-Cola. Where does it belong?
Unhealthy